Hey, so if you're trying to export your design from Photopea, but it's not downloading, stuck, or saving incorrectly, yeah, don't worry. This is usually easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to solve it. First thing, check your export format. Make sure you're selecting PNG, JPEG, or another supported format. Next, try using Save As instead of Export. So sometimes export fails, but Save As works fine. All right, check your file size. Very large images or heavy layers can cause export to fail or freeze. Now, make sure pop-ups are allowed. Photopea uses browser downloads, and blocked pop-ups can stop files from saving. If it still doesn't work, try a different browser or incognito mode. So this removes extension conflicts that often block downloads. Next, disable extensions like ad blockers. They can interfere with download scripts and stop export from working. And yeah, try renaming your file and exporting again. Sometimes special characters in file names can cause export errors. So that's how you fix Photopea export problems. One of these steps should get your file downloading correctly again.